Hello YouTube, how are you guys doing? Applebottemgs here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today guys, I would like to show you my new blower motor. So recently, I was using my heat in my car, and for some reason I heard this big loud sound. It's just horrible. It happens because your blower motor might be obstructed. So sometimes leaves or pebbles can fall in there, but for some reason the blower motors for the Lancers, Mitsubishi, it's underneath the glove box, so I don't see how leaves can fall in there. But so I just went ahead and I went on eBay and I bought a whole brand new one. It was about $35 to $36. I will link it in the description, and then I found another video of how to actually install it, so I will link that in the description as well. So I have it here. You get the actual motor, and then you get this tube. So this is how it looks like. And you see how this looks kind of like a basket. So that's how where the stuff can kind of just get in there, and it'll keep it from spinning. So this is it. Looks like that. And then there's a little connector here, that hole, and that's where this tube goes in. And then it will connect. And then there's a little connector slot right here, which it will connect to the car. And then all you need to remove are these little Phillips head screws. Right there. Should be about 3. So I will be installing this myself. So let me know if you guys want an install video of it. That's basically what's gonna happen in a few. So just let me know. I'm gonna thank you guys for watching and enjoy your day. So I'm about to replace my blower motor. All you have to do is go under your glove box, take this backing off, and there's a clip here and a clip there. So for reference, should be one in the corner here and one a little bit to the side, a little bit to the middle there, and then this pops down. So after you take that little backing off, this is supposed to be connected. So you disconnect that, and then there's 3 screws, one here, one there, and then one in the back. And then this should drop down after you take this pipe out. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the remaining screws. Disconnect this hose in a bit. There we go. You just disconnect that before you take the last screw out, just so there's no drop. So this is gonna drop out. As this screw comes out, it's already dropping. And you don't really need to replace the hose. Mine that I bought from eBay came with another hose, but I mean, if you want to replace it, you can. It's just as easy as just plugging it back in. And here it comes. So this is the old one. There's nothing in there, but it's moving pretty free. But I guess I'll go put in a new one. So this car is 2009, so this is the stock. Okay, so that's the old, this is the new. So we're just gonna go ahead and repeat the steps and just put it right back on. Alright, so to put this back in is a little tricky, but not because of screws. It's because you have to hold this up, that big motor, with one hand and screw these in. I guess if you have a drill, it's a little bit easier, but for me, I just went ahead and put in one screw very loosely, and it kind of held it in. And then you can just go ahead and put in the remaining screws, and then you should be good. Alright guys, so I just finished putting in. Took me about 3 minutes because this thing is really heavy. So after you put it in, obviously just connect everything back. So this, just goes in there, and you should hear, make sure you hear that click, and then the hose goes back onto the hose right here. Just like fixed. So, and should be good to go. Just put the little, make sure the hose is secure, put the faceplate back on, and that's it. And then we're gonna test it out and see if it fixes the problem. Alright, so the car is on. Here, I should probably close my door so you don't hear my exhaust. This box, so we're just gonna try it out now. And there we go. I fixed the problem. I should have recorded the noise, but you know, I feel the nice cold AC, which I don't know why it's on AC because it's freezing here, but you know, there's no more. That's all you hear now. So thank God it wasn't the resonator, because if that was it, then I bought the wrong piece. But I was pretty sure that it was the blower motor, because it was making this weird noise, like loud noise. Sorry, that was my dash cam. And it would only make it when it's like halfway onto the blower. So that's how I know it works, because I'm more than halfway and I don't hear anything but the motor. You just hear the AC. And you know what? I don't know if I'm tripping, but it does feel a little bit warmer than usual. But before we go, I just want to show you guys the old one. You can see how it's more darker, blacker, and that's because it's all filled with a whole bunch of junk over the years. And this is actually all dirt. If I can hold it up, if I put my finger through there or on here, you're wiping away dirt, and it's all on my finger right there. So that's why you know, you need to change these. And this car that I have is 2009, so this is the stock one from Mitsubishi. So that tells you that, hey, this has been in since production. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you guys have any comments, concern, just let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys. Look at all that dirt. Look at all that.